Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Take the hairs like this. After that, divide them and roll the hairs. Now take the hairs from the sides, make the plaits, join them one by one as we are taking. Take equal amount of the sections of the hairs like this and then fix them one by one and make the plaits on the sides. Follow the same step for few more times as we are doing in this video. For more such interesting videos, follow our page and let us know in the comment section whether you liked it or not. Join it till the end and fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we will divide the hairs like this in the front into sections. Now, take small sections of the hairs on it like this. Now, divide it and then roll it by taking the hairs into small sections like this. Join the hairs one by one and make the plaits. Follow the same step as shown in the video. So here it is giving the lining effects in the front like this. You can follow the same step for the other side as well. Join the hairs in the same manner as we are tying. Fix it one by one, tie it properly, join it till the sides. Now we will take it to the back as we are taking. Fix it by making the plaits till the end, tie it on the back like this. Now again take the hairs from the sides and join it on the back. Put the hair clip and it's ready. Next, we will take small section of the hairs on the bottom section of the hair like this. Tie them into 4 equal sections. Now, we will join them one by one making a triangle-like shape. Now, join them like this by making the plaits. Fix it on the top. Now, tie a ponytail. Now, take a small section of the hairs on it. Now, divide it into 3 parts and then make the plaits like this. So, take the hairs on the back side and then join it to make the plaits. Pull out the hairs from the sides little bit one by one as we are keeping in this video. Fix it till the end and tie it properly. Fix the hairs very tightly. Pull out the hairs from the sides to give it a fluffy look like this. After that, fix the hairs and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to fix the upper section of the hairs which we kept aside and join them. And it's done. I hope you liked it. Next, tie a ponytail. Now take small section of the hairs from it and then roll it around the clip like this. Now fix it properly using the hair clips, put it and then stretch the hairs and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.